Hello everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about the tools which our Adobe Flash Professional provides us, right? And in this video, we will be discussing about the timeline panel. Okay, what a timeline panel does and how it is actually helpful in creating a Flash document. Okay, timeline organizes and controls a Flash document control over time in layers and frames. Basically, it controls it in the form of your layers and your frames, like films. Okay, Flash Professional documents divide length of the time into frames. I already told you that whenever we are creating, okay, any film or any moving object or something, then it is actually created in the form of frames. Okay, then those frames are basically divided into your length of time. Okay, the major component of the timelines are: first is your layer, second is your frames, and third is the play head. Okay, this is the diagram. This will show you, okay, where these are your layer area. Okay, this is your layer area, this is your timeline header. Show or hide all the layers. These are the functions which tells all that. Lock or unlock all layers. Show all layers outlines. Okay, this is for your delete, new, and your new layer. Okay, and then here are your frames. If you want to move your frames, like play, pause, these buttons, move forward, these are your buttons to operate your frame. Okay, then there are your onion skin outlines. You'll be studying a bit later in this chapter. Fine. Okay, the timeline header in the timeline panel displays the frame number, and the playhead indicates the current frame displayed in the stage. Current frame, this is your stage, this is the white area, this white area is your stage. Okay, so playhead displays the frame number, okay, which frame is being played right now. New layer, create a new layer. New folder, create a new folder that can be used to organize the layers. You can have multiple layers in that. Delete, it deletes the selected layer. Go to, it places the playhead on the frame 1 in the timeline panel. Step back one frame, moves the playhead backward one frame from the current one which is actually played. Okay, then there is your play, it plays the whole animation on the stage. Step forward one frame, it will move forward one frame. Go to the last frame, it will move to the last frame. Center frame, the middle frame, okay, the current frame. Then your loop, it specifies a range of frames, okay, to play repeatedly during the duration. It moves in the loop. Okay, onion skin, this button allows you to view a range of frames both before and after the current frame. Okay, you will be able to see the frames before the frame also and after the frame also. Okay, in that same skin, progressively fading them out as if they are layered on translucent paper or top of each other. Okay, one will fade out, then the other one will come, like that. Then onion skin outline, display the object on one frame between start onion skin and your end onion skin marker as outlines. Okay, it moves between that outline, the boundaries. Fine. Okay, then edit multiple frames, it enables the editing part. You can edit the frames. Then modify the marker, it controls the number of frames before and after the current frame. Okay, it controls all the frames that will be displayed in the onion skin overlay. The frames which are actually included in your onion skin, those will be modifiable. On choosing this button, a flyout menu will display, and in that flyout menu there will be a range of markers like always show marker, anchor marker, marker range 5, and marker range all. Then there is your current frame, it displays the frame on which the playhead is placed. Okay, the current frame which is actually playing. You can also scrub the current frame value to place the playhead on the required frame. Then there is your frame rate on which speed the frames will be moving. specifies the speed on which the movie will be played. By default, the frame rate is set to 24 frames per second. Okay, then there is your elapsed time. Display the time that has elapsed in your animation at the frame that you have selected. Okay, the elapsed time is the time which is like before we are starting with the animation. Okay, the time which is taken, that is your elapsed time. Show and hide all the layers, it will show all the layers or hide all the layers. Lock or unlock all layers, freeze and defreeze the layers for the editing part and everything. Show all layers as outlines, displays only the outline of the content of the layer. You can allow change the layer properties using the layer property dialog box. To involve the layer property dialog box, double click on the layer. You will directly double click also, then also the property icon will open. Okay, located at the left of the layer name in the layer area of the timeline panel. Next is how to save a flash document. How you can save your flash document. Whenever you have to save something, then what you have to do is you have to go to the file option, go to save, okay, or click on the save as on the menu bar. Okay, a save as dialog box will open. You specify the name of the file, whatever name you want to give, and then choose the save button. That's all you have to do. Then previewing your work, if you want to preview your work, choose on the control option, then test movie in the Flash Professional from the menu bar, or simply press Ctrl and enter on your keyboard. Fine. The Prachi preview window will be displayed if you are making a flash of Prachi India Private Limited. Okay, then Prachi file has the .swf extension. These flash files will be having the extension of .swf. Okay, and is the rendered output of the flash document. Okay, when you press Ctrl enter, Flash creates a SWF file from the FLA file. You can view the size of the SWF file created from the current FLA file in the properties panel. Okay, now we have completed this chapter. So now I want you all to do the questions and answers of this. Fine, and do not send me until and unless I'm asking for it. Fine, just do it, complete your work, and I'll ask randomly any day. Okay, thank you students.